iQOO has officially launched the iQOO Neo 10 series in China, introducing two models, the Neo 10 and Neo 10 Pro. iQOO Neo 10 series come in three colors, orange, white and black. The iQOO Neo 10 will have a flat display measuring 6.78 inches. The 8T OLED panel will support a 1.5K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate with 4500 nits peak brightness. The Neo 10 will feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. The topmost variant will have up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 512GB storage. The device also includes a Q2 self-developed chip, enhancing stability and overall system efficiency during gaming and multitasking. iQOO Neo 10 has a dual rear camera unit comprising a 50-megapixel Sony IMX921 sensor with OIS support and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and 16-megapixel front camera. The iQOO Neo 10 houses a 6100 mAh battery with support for 120W fast charging support. The iQOO Neo 10 price start 2,399 yuan for 12GB plus 256GB. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.